Jeff Beri, No Dogs Left Behind. Today is the 16th of July, and we have our Yulin survivors coming in. I'm very proud to say that No Dogs Left Behind, and along with brave activists, have fought fiercely and actively on the front lines 365 days a year. We particularly, since 2016, 2017, and it's over. Yulin is over. And the first of the survivors, since Yulin being over, is heading out and on their way here. They're on their way. I'm driving now along with my survivors to greet them. Yes, this is how we roll. And I want to thank all of you out there who have supported us, supported No Dogs Left Behind in our efforts. And what I can tell you is that we're not going to stop now. Put this back here so I can drive and talk. I'm not going to stop now. We'll stop when the government enforces animal welfare laws. It's the 21st century and it's time for change. No country has the right to operate without any animal welfare laws. We have our reconnaissance teams gathering intel every day, risking their lives to show that innocent victims are being stolen. Dogs in slaughterhouses with their collars on, waiting to be slaughtered. And many of these places, nothing we could do because they're so protected. The government protects these areas. The local police protect these areas. We're able to infiltrate them to show you just how bad it is and how important it is that we continue to put the pressure on, exposing the atrocities that are taking place. It's our mission to be the voice for the voiceless. No Dogs Left Behind fights the fight in the front line. We fight the good fight. Animal welfare has no borders. Rescue has no borders. Please donate now. Urgent funds are needed now to evacuate survivors. Our teams, our emergency response quarantine is working day and night. Survivors are being evacuated in. It is the most incredible thing to see. IV lines in dogs non-stop. Our emergency response teams are working day and night. Our frontline teams are working day and night. Gathering intel, reconnaissance, attacking. Putting pressure on not only the government, but also on the cartel. This isn't a trade. This is trafficking. And we're not going to stop until change happens. My name is Jeff Beri. This is No Dogs Left Behind. Please donate now to help change. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And guys. Bye-bye now. More to come when I pick up the survivors. Tonight. We're working through the night, cleaning crates, getting them ready to go back to our camp facility. Peace out.